my coffee cup. Come see me come through the yellow. Say hello and seeds deliver you. My fellow, follow me down, reeling in the sweet decline. It's dawn, morning after. Meet me down by the river. Footloose, fancy free. I love it when you come to me. Step up to the river. Jump in the deep end over here. The light drifter, try not to drown. Guilty pleasure to which I'm bound. Full moon, late in summer. Shining my knight in armor. Shining my knight in armor. Silk cutting me up. Another leaf falling down and dropped. See no, hear no evil, but you whisper devils in my ear. Sweet sugar, nearly divine. Can you leave those lips behind? Daybreak, wake and wonder. Got to love me for now or never. You make me feel like I'm the only one. You make me feel like I'm the only. You make me feel like I'm the only one. You make me feel.
Flipped right over. Doesn't look like I damaged anything. You can see right there where the bumper, boom, hit first. Even before the GoPro, actually, yeah, it hit there. You can see a chip right there from the GoPro, just a little bit, but the GoPro's not damaged. That's funny. Well, we crashed Butterframe, and it looks fine. Everything's great. It's flying amazing. So I completely changed some rate setups and stuff on this thing after flying it the first time and just kind of getting a feel for how different it felt. And if you watch the first maiden, you remember I said, I feel like I'm gonna fly this thing different. Well, honestly, I feel like this finally opened my eyes to just like a new style of rates and even tuning, like a really high tune point. So I pushed a lot of the PIDs up, and I went ahead and went to like 1.25 rates and left my expo really high. So anyways, I'm gonna fly it some more, check the HD, we'll see. Butterframe, fly nostrils, baby. Peace.